Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will be speaking about the 4 countries in the UK. So the 4 countries in the UK are England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Today we will talk about England. So we will talk about 3 different places in England. The first place is a city. The second place is a beach town, and the third place is in the countryside. So the first place I will talk about is London. So if I zoom in on London, let's see, what can we find? Aha, Big Ben. We have Big Ben, and we also have the London Eye. So let's zoom in on here. Okay, brilliant. So this is London. And the first thing that we see is a bus. So this is a bus. The color of the bus is red. Red. So this is a red bus. If we go down the road, okay, we go down the road. There we go. And if we turn to our right, aha, here we can see the London Eye. So we can see the London Eye. This is the London Eye. This is the river. And if I zoom out, we can see a man riding a bike. So there's a man, and the man is riding a bike. There's also lots of people walking on the pavement. So this is the pavement, and this is the road. We can also see the London Eye. Not the London Eye. We can also see Big Ben. So this is Big Ben. If we zoom in on Big Ben, this is a clock. We can tell the time with the clock. And if we go down the road, this here is a taxi. Okay, we have a taxi. The taxi is black. And there are more people walking down the pavement, or walking down the side of the road on the pavement. Okay, so we have cars, we have people, there is the London Eye. We also have more people, lots more people, and then we can see the river. We also have a bridge. So this is a bridge. Okay, we have a bridge. We have the river. We have people. This is a man. The man is using his phone. Okay, so he's using his phone. So this is London. This is also a motorbike. We call this a motorbike or a motorcycle. Okay? And the person riding the motorcycle is wearing a helmet. It's a helmet. Okay, so now that we have talked about London, we will now go to the beach. So now we will talk about a beach town. Okay, so the beach town is down around here. So we can see London is here and the beach town is all the way over here. So if I zoom in and zoom in, there we go. So it's called Cardiff Bay. Okay, so if I zoom in here and I take the icon and we put it here. Aha, okay. So as we can see here, we have the sea. So this is the sea. We also have the road that goes down to the beach. So if we go down this road, let's go down the road. Okay, we are going down the road and here we can see the sea. So we can see the sea. And then if we look up here, there is a man. So this is a man. And these are apartments. Okay, so these are apartments that look out at the sea. Very nice, very beautiful. Do you like the sea? Do you like beaches? Let me know if you like to go to the beach. I like the beach. Okay, so as we can see, if I zoom in down here, we can see the sea and we can see the beach. So this is the beach and this is the sea. In the distance, we have lots of houses. 1 house, 2 houses, 3 houses, 4 houses, lots of houses looking out at the sea. And around the houses, so around the houses, there's lots of trees, lots and lots of trees. Okay, so we have the beach, the sea, houses, trees. There's lots of amazing things in this area. So we have talked about the city, we have talked about the beach, and now we will talk about the countryside. So this next place is a place near the city Sheffield. And as you can see, there's lots of green space. Okay, lots of green. If I zoom in, okay, so we will go to this bridge area. Okay, so if I place it on the bridge, okay. So this is the countryside. So we are now on the road. This is a pavement on the side of the road. This is the road, and that is a car. Okay. And if we go to our right and zoom in, we can see a boat. So this is a boat. There are two people on the boat. One person, two people. Okay, so one person, two people. So there's two people on the boat and they are fishing. So if we come down, if we go down the road, we can see that they are fishing. So the people are fishing. Okay, so now we also have a lake. So this is a lake or a reservoir. You can say lake, it's fine. This is a boat on the lake, and there are lots of trees. Lots and lots of trees. The trees are the color green. Okay, so the trees are green. There are more cars up here. And this side, we also have the lake with trees and mountains. So we have mountains with trees and clouds. So these are clouds in the sky. And this area is blue. This is the color blue, and this is the color white and also gray. Okay, so now we will continue. We will go down the road. Okay, so I just went down the road. And when I was going down the road, I saw some parked cars. So these are cars and they are parked on the side of the road. This is the road. This is the pavement. And these are the cars. The cars are parked on the side of the road. This is a house. So on this house, it has one window, two windows, three windows, four windows, five windows, six windows, seven windows, eight windows. Okay, the house has 8 windows, and this is the roof of the house, and this is the chimney of the house. We can also see a field, and in the field there are some sheep. Very cute. I like sheep. They're very, very cute. Okay, so I can see 1 sheep, 2 sheep, 3 sheep, 4 sheep, 5 sheep, 6 sheep. So there's at least 6 sheep, in the photo. Okay, so we have a house, a field, sheep in the field. There's also a road with cars parked on the side of the road. We have clouds in the sky. So there's clouds in the sky, but it looks like a beautiful day, a very nice day. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you understood some words in this video. Let me know in the comments of the video. Let me know what you like best. Do you like the city? Do you like the beach? Or do you like the countryside? Let me know down in the comments on YouTube. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you soon in another video. Have a nice day, and goodbye.